I just cut this cowl out. Yeah, I just cut this cowl out. Stan said, oh, it's ugly, let's get rid of it. So now we gotta put the firewall all the way up. Got the cowl all mudded. First coat. Steering column's in. Working on the brake pedal now. Fabricated a new piece of steel going across here. Got the brake booster mounted. Just got a steering column's gonna be an easy hookup from there to there. Piece of cake. And the driller holes out for the spot wells for the back part of the floor. Brake pedals mounted. The brakes. Steering column.